In this video, we're going to be looking at the TimeRequest function within TimeControl. TimeRequest allows me to have pre-approval of certain types of time prior to the timesheet being created. I'm logged in as the timesheet administrator. I'm in the table menu under charge codes. First thing I need to do is identify which charge codes are available to be used by the TimeRequest function. In this case, I'm going to select paid vacation. I'm going to go to the right-hand side and the indicator pane. I'm going to click time booking, which says the paid vacation charge code is now available for the TimeRequest function. I'm going to apply that, and I'm going to relog in as my end user, Gail Robinson. If I go to the timesheet function and I go to TimeRequest, it will allow me to create a new time request for Gail. And I'm going to say add. And I get a dialog box that asks me for the details of that particular request. I'm going to say May vacation. I'm going to say that I want to start on the 4th of May. I select Monday the 4th. And it will finish on the 8th of May. The charge code I'm going to be using is paid vacation. And my default rate, my rate code is going to be regular time. And my hours per day defaults to 8 hours. And I'm going to say travel to the US. I've now created that. If I select it, it says, it gives me the details. So 8 hours a day, Monday to Friday for that particular week. I'm going to say, go ahead and save that. Now I need to send it off for approval. So I do that by releasing it the same as I would a regular timesheet. It goes to my timesheet administrator, to my timesheet supervisor. I can send a memo to Tom, and I have my my audit trail that says that it's been now submitted over to Tom. If I relog in as Tom Logan, who is the supervisor for Gail, Tom is going to see that request. So this has been released to Tom. Tom can click on it and say, show me the details of that. Tom can look at it and say, yep, I'm happy with that. Gail can be off that week. So I am going to approve this by releasing it back to Gail. It says, do I want to release it? Do I want to send a memo? It has now been approved and it's back in the hands of Gail. If I relog in as Gail, when I make the timesheet for Gail, if I go to my timesheet entry screen and say, I now want to create a timesheet for the week ending of the 10th of May. So the week is come and gone. I want to create the timesheet for that particular week. I say, go ahead and create that. And because there's a time request attached to it, it's going to say that on this particular timesheet that my 8 hours per day paid vacation is pre-populated, including those hours per day, the Monday to Friday, based on that time request. So all I need to do now is say, go ahead and release this timesheet to Tom Logan, and the same as I would on any other timesheets, and the timesheet has now been completed.